Welcome to Global Eats Uncovered. Hey there, food explorers. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, your go-to destination for uncovering the world's most fascinating and delicious food cultures. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just love exploring new cuisines, this is the place where we delve deep into the global food scene, uncover hidden gems, and learn about the incredible ways people around the world create and enjoy their food. In today's episode, we're going to embark on a delicious journey to discover the world's best food substitutes, what they are, and why they work. Food substitutions are making waves in kitchens everywhere, from home cooks to Michelin-starred chefs. These replacements are often created out of necessity, whether due to health, sustainability, or dietary restrictions, but they also open up new opportunities for creativity in cooking. We'll explore amazing substitutes used across cultures, why they work so well, and how you can incorporate them into your own meals. So, get ready to discover the revolutionary ingredients changing the way we cook and eat, all while giving you a taste of the diverse culinary traditions around the globe. Let's get started. 1. Jackfruit, the tropical meat alternative. India, Southeast Asia, and beyond. Jackfruit is a tropical fruit that has taken the world by storm as a meat substitute, especially in vegan and vegetarian cooking. Its fibrous texture, neutral flavor, and ability to absorb spices and sauces make it a perfect replacement for meat in a wide range of dishes. In India, Kathal young green jackfruit is used in savory curries, replacing meats in dishes like Kathal ki sabzi, where it is cooked with onions, tomatoes, and aromatic spices. In Southeast Asia, countries like Thailand, Indonesia, and the Philippines also use jackfruit to create mock meat dishes, including pad stir-fried jackfruit, and jackfruit rendang. In the Caribbean, jackfruit is often prepared in savory stews or used as a meat alternative in tacos or sandwiches. The best part, jackfruit is rich in fiber, low in calories, and packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C and potassium, making it a healthy alternative to meat. As a result, it has become an eco-friendly choice, offering a plant-based protein that has a minimal environmental impact compared to traditional animal products. 2. Coconut milk, the dairy-free cream. Southeast Asia, India, and the Caribbean. Coconut milk is one of the most beloved dairy-free alternatives across the globe. Its rich, creamy texture makes it a perfect stand-in for dairy in both sweet and savory dishes. With a subtle sweetness and a rich mouthfeel, it's an essential ingredient in many global cuisines. In Thailand, coconut milk is used to create the base for rich, fragrant curries like masaman curry and green curry, while it's also the base of the popular tom kha gai soup. In India, coconut milk is used in curries, such as Kerala-style fish curry and avial, a vegetable curry from the southern region. In the Caribbean, coconut milk is incorporated into rice and peas, a staple side dish, as well as in desserts like coconut drops and coconut cake. Coconut milk is not only dairy-free, but also full of healthy fats that can boost energy, promote skin health, and improve cholesterol levels. It is also a great choice for those who are lactose intolerant or seeking a plant-based milk alternative. 3. Tofu, the versatile protein source. East Asia, North America, and the West. Tofu, made from soybeans, has been a cornerstone of East Asian cuisine for centuries. This plant-based protein is incredibly versatile, and its ability to absorb the flavors of whatever it's cooked with makes it a key substitute for meat and eggs in many dishes. In China, tofu is a key ingredient in dishes like mapo tofu, where it is simmered in a spicy, flavorful sauce, or tofu stir-fry, where it is with vegetables. In Japan, tofu appears in dishes like agedashi tofu, crispy tofu in a soy-based broth, or tofu katsu, breaded and fried tofu. In the West, tofu has been embraced as a vegan alternative to scrambled eggs. Tofu scramble and is used in a wide variety of dishes, including sandwiches, stir-fries, and even desserts. Tofu is an excellent source of plant-based protein and is low in calories, making it a perfect alternative to meat in vegan and vegetarian diets. It's also rich in calcium, iron, and all 9 essential amino acids, making it a great choice for overall health. For cauliflower, the carbohydrate substitute. Middle East, North America, and Europe. Cauliflower has emerged as one of the most popular low-carb substitutes, and its uses are growing in kitchens worldwide. This versatile vegetable can stand in for everything from rice to pizza crusts, and it even mimics the texture of mashed potatoes. In the Middle East, cauliflower is often roasted or fried as a side dish or incorporated into mezze platters alongside other vegetables. In North America, cauliflower rice has become a popular low-carb alternative to traditional rice, and cauliflower-based pizza crusts are widely available. In Europe, cauliflower is often mashed or used to create vegan cheese sauces, offering a creamy, dairy-free alternative. Not only is cauliflower a low-calorie, low-carb option, but it's also packed with vitamin C, K, and folate, as well as antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. Cauliflower's neutral taste and ability to take on various textures make it the perfect replacement for carbohydrates, like rice or potatoes. 5. Tempeh, the nutty meat substitute. Indonesia, worldwide vegan cuisine. Tempeh, a traditional Indonesian product made from fermented soybeans. It's firmer and more textured than tofu, making it an excellent substitute for meat in stir-fries, sandwiches, and even as a bacon replacement. In Indonesia, tempeh is often deep-fried and served in nasi goreng fried rice, or used as a filling in gado-gado, a vegetable salad with peanut sauce. In the West, tempeh has gained popularity as a vegan alternative to bacon in dishes like tempeh bacon and is commonly used in wraps, sandwiches, and salads. In the Middle East, tempeh can be used in vegan shawarma wraps or grilled in the style of traditional kebabs. Tempeh is a powerhouse of plant-based protein and is an excellent source of probiotics, which can help support gut health. It also contains healthy fats, fiber, and several vitamins and minerals, making it a nutritional alternative to meat. 6. Seitan. The wheat meat. China, Japan, and the West, seitan, made from wheat gluten, is one of the best meat substitutes for those seeking a chewy meat-like texture. It has been used in Asian cuisine for centuries, and has made its way into Western kitchens as well. In China, seitan is often found in Buddhist cuisine, where it's cooked in savory sauces to mimic meat in dishes like seitan stir-fry or seitan stew. In Japan, seitan is used in vegetarian versions of yakitori grilled skewers and katsu breaded cutlets. In the West, seitan is used to create meat substitutes like vegan steaks, burgers, and sausages, thanks to its chewy meat-like texture. Seitan is packed with protein and is a low-fat, low-calorie alternative to meat. It's an excellent option for those who want to enjoy the taste and texture of meat while following a plant-based or vegan diet. 7. Almond milk. The plant-based milk revolution. Global use. It's made by blending almonds with water and straining out the solid bits, resulting in a smooth, creamy liquid that can replace dairy milk in almost any recipe. In North America, almond milk is used in smoothies, coffee, pink almond milk lattes, and cereals as a dairy-free milk option. In India, almond milk is used in festive drinks like badam milk and desserts like almond halwa. In the Middle East, almond milk is incorporated into beverages and sweets like almond milk pudding. Almond milk is low in calories, rich in healthy fats, and provides a good source of vitamin E. 8. Aquafaba. Aquafaba, the viscous liquid left over from cooked chickpeas or other beans, has gained popularity as a vegan egg replacement. It has the unique ability to mimic the properties of egg whites in recipes, such as whipping into a frothy meringue, or acting as a binder in baked goods. In Europe and North America, aquafaba is used to create meringues, macarons, and vegan mayonnaise. In the Middle East, aquafaba is incorporated into desserts like Turkish delight and used as an egg replacer in various savory dishes. And it's a great option for those who are looking for egg substitutes in both savory and sweet recipes. The power of food substitutes. As we've seen in this episode of Global Eats Uncovered, food substitutes are revolutionizing the culinary world in ways we never imagined. From jackfruit in savory curries to tofu in everything from stir-fries to desserts, these alternatives are not only helping to address dietary needs, but also opening up new creative possibilities in the kitchen. Whether you're looking for plant-based proteins like tempeh and seitan, dairy-free options like coconut milk and almond milk, or low-carb alternatives like cauliflower rice, there's a whole world of substitutions waiting for you to discover. These swaps are bridging cultural divides and introducing new flavors, textures, and nutrition to our everyday meals. We hope this episode inspired you to try something new in your own cooking adventures. What food substitutes will you experiment with next? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting culinary journeys with us at Global Eats Uncovered.